get my nephew's reaction to the $1,000 335. If you have been watching the channel, you saw he rode in the old F30 when it was misfiring. Couldn't even give him that much of a good POV and example of how the BMWs are. I know he has a little channel too and a little TikTok. He's trying to make content. I'll pop it up in the link in the description on the screen right here. Make sure y'all show him some support. Give him that criticism he needs to get his content right. And right here, we're gonna get a ride in a $1,000 BMW once we get the camera set up. Behind a episode or two for Vlogmas. I do apologize. I did get a little sick. Ended up getting a little sick. Finally pulling through it now. Hey, I'll see his hunts. I don't know if we'll be able to make it to the shop, boys. Chat, this is barely enough to make it to the shop alone. About a quarter tank. We are pushing it. Let's go, brother. Golly. just got back from Mexico with Braxton. Honest reaction from the last car to this one, Braxton. How does this one feel, man?
Has more punch.
A lot more punch. Does it sound better? Because everyone says N55 is the best sounding BMW. I personally think N55 does sound good stock turbo, but when you go upgraded turbo on a lot of BMWs, I think N55 is not the best sounding one. This turbo is screaming on here. Even Braxton said it is like just way night and day difference the way you can hear the turbo. I mean, it is a Pulsar turbo. It does sound a lot better than a Garrett, but at the same time, we're gonna see. Anyone, if you're building a N55 still out there, make sure you try out the new 6870 from Pulsar. What I have on my N54 right here. Can't even talk. But I think it does sound a lot better. He said it's punching a lot better.
The N54 is just better.
We're gonna have to get Braxton a $1,000 335. Got him a little tripod. No excuses out here. $10 at Walmart. If anyone out here wants to make content, grab your phone, get a $10 tripod at Walmart, make some content. This boy's gonna get right, man. He works hard too. We're gonna wrap it up on the N54 right here, unless I do take it to the shop and drop off this bumper to get painted today. Everyone did have a Merry Christmas. It is the day after Christmas, and Happy Early New Year if I don't drop this video before New Year's or after. In the big 328, the big daily, on the way to the shop. Another rainy day. The past week has been so bad in Georgia, but I hope everyone had a Merry Christmas and a good time with their family. And make sure you're coming up, make sure you be safe if you're going out and doing stuff. Don't do nothing stupid. Don't get no DUIs. If you are going to be out drinking, make sure you say one DUI can fuck up your entire life. I've seen it happen. I think we will have to be getting rid of the 328 soon, not because anything wrong with it, but just because I would like to upgrade and get something I think that would be better for the channel and better for myself. With always towing the race car somewhere, I need something to tow the car. I'm tired of using my dad's old GMC, as you always see me using, to the track. The recent track event we went to, and an FL2K. The 5.3 is always coming in clutch, but we can't keep taking his truck. We'll be getting something very soon, replacing the 328i. I don't know if it is going to be a truck, if it will be an SUV. Comment what you think the daily is going to be, if it's going to stay in the BMW line or if it's going to be something else. But no, it will be used to tow, so just know that. Expensive, I guess, because they are like the only skinny tire on the market and they know they can charge that much. But $400 a piece per tire is what Mickey charges. And I was, after finally getting a little saved up, I was going to go ahead and go buy the tires actually this week. But I just saw a post on Facebook of a front set of skinny wheels and the tires for $700, and the tires looks like it's in brand new condition. And they are some Belmont welds. They even are powder coated around the rim in gloss black. They look really good. I feel like the wheels could even sell for $400 to $500 quick. So that would only be paying like $200 to $300 for the tires. So I think it's going to be a win rather than paying $800 straight up for the tires. So we're going to go get these tires. This is probably going to be the wrap up for this Vlogmas. We are still not done with the Vlogmas series. We have 2 more episodes that we'll be uploading, even though they will be in January. But I appreciate everyone that's been watching the channel and staying tuned to the Vlogmas series.